guys, so as you can see from what's behind me, today I'm going to show you guys what I got in Boxycharm session. I will also include a little vlog that I did during the event that I went to from Boxycharm session. I forgot to do like a closing vlog thing, so I guess it's kind of like a closing vlog thing. I'll show you guys what I got. Two items are missing because I gave them to my mom because one was like too light for like my skin tone, so it's perfect for her. And then I gave her the other lashes because I have my own, like the extra little lashes. So the two things that are missing are the L'Oreal Tantalizing Bronzer, and the next thing missing is the Sephora collection with Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. So those two were the items that I gave to my mom. Other than that, all the items are in this lovely box and behind me.
Right now, sound.
Hit Mac. You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we them close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be.
The first item I got, few are missing because I have used them and they need to get washed and everything, but we got the Luxie Face Essential Rose Gold Collection brush set. So it includes a large powder brush, a tapered face brush, a top blending face, and a large angled face, foundation face, and a detailed flat blender. So a few of them are missing, but that's what we got. Now I'm just going to dig into this bag and show you guys what we got. So this is the bag that was waiting for us at our table. It says Boxycharm in session. The first item is one of my new favorite primers, which I love now. This is from Dr. Brandt, the Pore Refining Primer. So this is from Dr. Brandt, the Pore Refiner Primer. So we got that. The next item we got is from Luxie. This is also included in Boxycharm, their actual box. So we got this as well. So this is Luxie Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. They're very pretty and they're like a gold detailing color. So I'm going to pull one out so you can see one, but show you one of the brushes so you can see the detailing of the gold. So this is the gold detailing right here. Very pretty brush set from Luxie. The next item we got is from Brittany Evans and Rincomb. This is a Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Empress. So it's a very, very, very pretty color. Got different colors each one, but this is a very pretty, like, fall color. I love these colors, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch that right on my hand for you guys. So this is the color right here. It's a very pretty color. Love it. This item we got from Grande Cosmetics. This is their mascara lash boosting formula in black. So this is the packaging of it. And this is what the mascara looks like. Very pretty packaging. It's gold and very metallic. The item we got also from Grande is their mascara primer. So this is the packaging. And this is what the primer looks like, guys. Just white packaging. And mascara. item we got, it was from Glow-Getta, and this is their iconic New York collection Downtown Cool eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging of it. This is what the palette looks like, guys. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And these are the pretty shadows. This is what we got also, and this is the mirror. Next item we got is from Tarte, and this is their Fake Awake Eye Highlight. So this is what the packaging looks like, guys. And this is what the eye highlight pencil looks like. The next item we got is from Artist Couture. This is a little mini sample of their Illuminati Diamond Glow Powder. So we got that. And then y'all know the other two was what I gave my mom. So the second to last item we got, which I was excited, was from Pretty Little Things. This is their Hello Smooth Rose Gold Infrared Styler. So that's the box of it right there. This is the box that was waiting for us, and that the flat iron was in. This is a LED like digital, so you'll see the different temperatures. It'll show up here. It lights up right here. Green color also lights up around the thing, and it heats up like super fast. This is a very, very nice, expensive flat iron that we got, which I was excited to get. And last but not least, guys, what was waiting for us at our table was a little mirror. Excuse the dust because it's light, and excuse my ring light. But this is the mirror, guys. It lights up. So, and we were able to take this baby home with us after we used it. So this is what was also included in our Boxycharm in session. I was excited about all the goodies that we got at Boxycharm in session. So now I'm going to flip through my vlog that I did of the day. It was like a short little vlog, and I showed of Boxycharm in session and what happened during that day. So if you guys are interested in what goes on at Boxycharm in session, then let's go.
Hey y'all, it's the Glow-Getta, and I'm here with my bestie. We on our way to Boxycharm in session. We was up like super early last night, like powerhouse. But we in there, we on our way. So I will catch you guys over in New York. New York bound. So we made it to New York, guys. So we in the Uber on our way down to the spot. So when we get there, I'll show you guys what it looks like. But we're on So we arrived. It's acting here. This is what Boxycharm in session. So we about to go actually get our lunch and eat for the class starts and everything. This is my little stash and everything. I got Morphe, MAC, Black Up, Glam Glow, my Anastasia, Juliet Place, my primer, my old friend about to get this party started.
Boxycharm and the creator of BC in session. So I just want to do a little roll call here today. So when you hear your state, I want to hear some applauses, some woo. Okay, ready? California. All right, so then somebody pay with a billing address in California. All right, let's try another.
They didn't make it.
Illinois. All right. North Carolina. Wow. Massachusetts. You could do better than that. You're really far. Massachusetts. Rhode Island. No, Rhode Island. Wow. Okay. Connecticut. Maryland. Pennsylvania. All right. Come on.
That was a nice little walk, huh? Went the wrong way. Oh my goodness. Wow. I just need to like soak this moment in and just really appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Wow. You guys are really, really all so beautiful, committed, which I love. And I just want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you guys for showing up. I think it's very admirable, especially being a makeup artist, whether you're an enthusiast, an artist, a pro artist, a beginner, whatever walk of glam life you are. I think it's so inspiring that you guys are here, especially on a rainy day, especially being women. You know you guys don't put yourself first all the time, so this is a beautiful thing to see. So give yourselves, please.
Hi guys. Doesn't work. There we go. You're right. Can you guys hear me? First of all, thank you so much for coming in this beautiful weather, by the way. Just again, love it. I have to tell you that this is very overwhelming. I'm not taking this for granted. Looking across the room and seeing the passion and so many people coming down here, I started in a very humble beginning. For someone that came over as an international student, started the first business with a couple $100, and here we are today. And this is something that I keep thinking about once in a while, like how the hell did I end up in this place? But I gotta say that it's primarily for the fact that we're looking to make sure that the products would make you guys happy, the experience would make you happy, and hopefully can inspire people and have other people going to follow the same routine and inspire others. Stay humble. There's one thing I have to say, I can't stay humble all the time. I have to say that weather in Miami is way better than here, so I gotta say that. I mean, if that was Miami, probably we wouldn't get out of the house because tomorrow it would be a nicer day. But over here it's New York, so what are you gonna do? You have to walk out. So guys, thank you so much. When I come to New York, every time, it's always around business and it's just meeting brands and it's nice and exciting. Over here, this was the first event.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. It was a short one, as you can see. Once again, I said I wasn't able to do a closeout, so this is kind of like my closeout of the video. A few days later, I know, but hope you guys enjoyed it, and I may or may not go to the next one. I don't know, but I enjoyed myself, I guess. I'm with my best friend, so was chilling. You know, we always make it litty. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and as I said, my new subscribers, I hope that you become a member of the Glow fam and subscribe to this channel right here, the Glow-Getta. Leave me a like, that'll help me out as well. I appreciate it, guys, and comment down below any suggestions you like. What did you think about Boxycharm session? What did you think about the items that I got? Are you going to go to a future Boxycharm session? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And until then, I will see you in the next video.
When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right